To round out the category here of casual new age investing, we have M1 Finance. This fintech platform offers a variety of investment account types to suit different financial goals. For example, users can open individual and joint brokerage accounts, traditional Roth and SEP IRAs, trust accounts, custodial accounts, and crypto accounts with M1. This platform utilizes a unique pie-based portfolio system, allowing investors to visualize and manage their portfolios in a way that just isn't possible through most other apps. M1 Finance also offers dozens of model portfolios too that they do not directly charge for investing into. M1 Finance is particularly well suited for long-term self-directed investors seeking a blend of automation and control, but there are some monthly fees that may apply. If your assets with M1 Finance are less than $10,000, you will be charged a $3 monthly platform fee. So this can be a deterrent for small accounts, but you won't really have to worry about this if you've been investing for a while. And keep in mind, you can transfer your brokerage account too, which can help with hitting that $10,000 limit. In addition, M1 Finance also offers a high-yield cash account that allows you to earn a competitive APY on your uninvested cash. And get this, these accounts are FDIC insured for up to $4.75 million, and it's where I personally park my nest egg. One final important detail here with M1 is the trading windows. Instead of placing trades throughout the day, M1 Finance offers 2 trading windows per day, a morning and an afternoon one. All trades are going to be placed at these times, so if you want to be able to trade in and out of stocks and other assets at a moment's notice, then simply put, this is just not the platform for you. If you're interested in opening an M1 account or checking the updated high-yield savings account rate, be sure to use my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com/M1.